Sydney, Mikey just made 1 million.
Mikey?
Yes, that's like $5.
Dollars?
Yes! I'm serious, bro. I have proof here. I can't lie now. I have proof here. Sydney, where are you going to now?
I just want to say hi to Michael, that's all.
No. You don't need to rob Michael. I know how he made his money and I can show you how he made it.
Continue, I can hear you.
Simple. All he did was Forex on OctaFX copy trading app.
I don't know how to do Forex, so let me do the one I know how to do.
You don't need to know how to do Forex. All you need is OctaFX copy trading app and that's the solution. Look, you can copy the success of pro traders. The best traders work for you. And guess what? No advanced knowledge required. Firstly, sign up in one easy step and make a deposit to your wallet via any payment method of your choice. Nigerians can deposit and withdraw money without any commission. Sort through the ratings of master traders and select the best ones for you. Top gainers for the last 2 weeks, 3 months, or even all times are right there for you. You can always review all statistical data in the summary before making your decision to copy someone. Click start copying and their positions will be copied automatically. You can copy others equally, 1:1 or proportionally. Use one of these options to set up the amount you want to invest.
But wait. What about the risk? Is there no risk?
I was also getting to that. You also have full control over the process and can decide to stop copying trade at any given time. Wow. Deposit percentage is an option you set prior to copying that helps you control the risk. I even tried it myself. Check my account balance. See how much I made.
So how many weeks did it take Michael to get this?
Just a week or 2.
I like it. Give me 4 days.
What?
4 days.
4 days? Yeah. Wait, Sydney! So what are you waiting for, guys? Click on the link in the Talkers Bio right now and get 50% bonus for first time copying using a specific link and start trading with OctaFX. Please share your results in the comment section. OctaFX, Grandmasters of Trading. Sydney!
Hey, babe, what will you be coming?
Oh, I just finished my makeup now, so I'll be coming there very soon.
Okay. Tell her to come with her friends, though. Hey, babe, yeah, my friend said she'll come with your friends.
Oh, that's great. My friends are actually here. I'll come with them. Alright, babe. Bye. Babes, we have somewhere to go to.
We'll beat you scatter today.
If no be this man, where are you? Give me that.
Hello.
Hi.
I know, you know, I know.
Hello.
Go, you want to do. I know, you know, I know. You want the coco.
Baby.
Hey, babe, where's my own?
Salam alaikum.
Alaikum assalam. Salam alaikum.
I don't want to waste your time. Oh girl, I need survive.
Yes! But bro, why you not buy from his venue?
Get this one original, now why?
Hey! I bet now, small. Calm down now. Why? That's like you.
Where did you get this phone from?
Big tech devices. Big tech devices.
Fuck you.